Hey guys, how are we? Hope you're well. Well, another beautiful day here in Athens, and things are good for now. We're just keeping an eye on what's happening with the European Union, and in particular they're wanting to bring mandatory medical procedures onto the table. So this is not going to be a straightforward time. So in actual fact, it just means that you're going to have to plan ahead and be aware of what's happening and make changes. And so that means that we're going to have to make, plans and start to figure out, where are the best places to go in accordance with the PT5 flags. So perpetual traveller 5 flags, that's what we're all about. Means that we are not location dependent. We want to be location independent. We want to see ourselves as global citizens, taking the best of what every different location around the world has to offer. And I have seen comments from different people saying, find a location and just settle down. And you can find locations and settle down, but different locations offer different things. And that's all part of the strategy with PT5 flags. Not that you want to adhere to it to the nth degree. As I've said before, you want to take the elements of that particular philosophy and use it to your benefit. So there'll probably be changes in our life in the next couple of months, as we look at making different decisions. One of the things that I was going to say is that perhaps a yacht would be a good idea at this point in time. At least it's a sort of relatively safe thing to have in your back pocket in regards to a place to live and an easy way to travel. So particularly if you've got a family and you need to provide a place to live, and you need to provide some sort of transport, so you may want to brush up on your sailing skills. So although sailing is not easy that often, most of the time, particularly in the open ocean, it can be pretty hairy. But it can be really enjoyable as well. So a really nice lifestyle. And we've thought about it for a couple of years. So anyway, just keep that in mind. I remember when I was back in Australia looking at getting out, and having been denied 4 times previously, I thought, well, it might be time to buy a yacht. And I remember getting on yacht sales and just seeing yachts literally disappear off the market so quickly. And I know on our Facebook group, Overseas Exiles, there's been a lot of discussion on yachts and chartering yachts and all that is possible actually. So I'm not sure how expensive that's going to be. Definitely an option though. So and I'm not sure how many people you could get onto. It just depends on the size of the yacht. I think you really want to have about a 49 50-foot yacht minimum. So some people, just incredible. One thing that I've noticed here in Athens, people just walk straight in front of you. So anyhow, so that's an option for you. Maybe yachting. You may find a new passion in becoming a seafarer. So anyway, but yeah, the bigger the yacht, the better. I remember my old accountant said to me, if it flies, floats or fornicates, rent it. Now morally I don't agree with everything that was said in that, but just be forewarned, if you end up buying a yacht, it's going to cost you about 10% of the value of the yacht to maintain it per year. So that means you're going to have to clean the hull, you're going to have to put new rigging and sails on, new navigation systems, water pumps, motors, desalination kits. So there's a lot to it, and don't let me discourage you with that, but I'm just sort of saying it's not buy a yacht and then you're okay for the rest of your days. Yachting is going to take you quite a bit of maintenance, so keep that in mind. But anyway, so look, I just thought I would do a quick little video. We're just working on a bit of a series at the moment on how to escape Australia and going through every aspect of it. How to work out where you're going to go, what sort of lifestyle you're going to have, how much it's going to cost, how to get your exemption in and how to get that through across the line, and then how you're going to get out. So by what means of transport. So we're just working on that at the moment, and hopefully that'll be done by the weekend, and that should give you a little bit of an insight into what sort of process or thinking we go through when I'm evaluating a place anyway. So yeah, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and go and join Overseas Exiles on the Facebook group. And we're going to do some upgrades on the forum in the next couple of days, so just be mindful of that if you see it down. So alright guys, we'll speak to you soon.